Explanation of noises during a washing machine spin cycle. If you hear vibrating, thumping, clicking, or whirring sounds during your LG washer's spin cycle, there can be a few reasons why. Common causes for spin cycle noises are an unbalanced laundry load, a clogged or blocked drain filter, or buildups inside the tub. The drain hose or supply hose could be too long. Shelves or cabinets might be placed too close to the washing machine, or the washing machine is not leveled. Let's examine each type of noise. A washer may make thumping sounds if the load is unevenly distributed. If this happens, stop the machine by pressing the Start/Pause button. Rearrange the laundry and restart the unit. It is recommended to use the bedding cycle for bulky items, such as blankets, to minimize the vibration. If you hear banging noises or the washer door shakes, this could be because the machine spins and stops several times to balance the load, then speeds up once the load is balanced. The door is designed not to open during operation, so you can rest assured. Do not put a doormat, rug, carpet, rubber mat, electric blanket, or similar items into the washer, as they can cause an unbalanced load and extend the spinning cycle. Press the pause button and remove any of these items. If the washer is making a rattling sound during the spin cycle, there could be loose, small objects in the drum. Check inside the drum and remove objects such as hairpins, coins, and other accessories. If the washer makes a whirring sound before the spin cycle when water gets drained, that is the normal sound of the drain pump. However, if the sound becomes excessively loud, you should remove the drain pump filter and clean it if it is clogged or covered with dirt. Have a shallow pan ready to catch any draining water. Knocking sounds could be the drain hose or supply hose knocking against the rear of the washing machine. Pull out the washing machine so there is enough space between the unit and the wall. Also make sure there is space between the washing machine and objects around it, such as shelves or cabinets. Lastly, the washer may make banging or rattling sounds if it is not leveled. Because the tub spins at a very high speed during the spin cycle, it is important that the machine is leveled to help reduce noise and vibrations. Try to rock the washer gently from corner to corner to see if it is leveled. If the unit rocks, use a spanner wrench to adjust all the leveling feet either upward or downward, so that the washer is level on the pedestal and the pedestal is level on the floor. If you need further assistance, go to lg.com/support. You can also request a service visit and get your appliances checked by an LG technician.